Hello, and welcome to today's presentation on SnapLogic Flows. My name is Francis McWilliams. I'm a Senior Solutions Engineer with SnapLogic. I wanted to show you today how we can reduce organizational silos, eliminate process inefficiencies, and improve joint communication and productivity, all with a single solution, the SnapLogic platform. The use case I indicated is the Google Sheets to ServiceNow. I'll take a look at that one. And I'm bringing this in from this Google Sheets Flow. And no, that's just my account. The spreadsheet name is Francis ServiceNow Incidents, which are here. This is to show you an example. And all I want out of this particular spreadsheet is the short description that I'll be utilizing to create new incidents. Now we'll save and continue. And now you can see, if I go to the ServiceNow, you'll see that I'm doing an add incident operation. And then we will take a look at the mapping, the data wrangler. And the source, I'm just bringing pretty much all the source in, but on the destination, what I'm feeding to ServiceNow is the short description. And then I've indicated that I would like it to be assigned to me. So I've got the assigned to prepared. And then this incident is added by SnapLogic Flows. So I'll save it and return to this particular flow. And then we can save and continue, and then we can end it and execute it. This is for demonstration purposes, but in real life, you'll see the play button up here on the top right. I can execute it pretty much at any point in time. Again, we can schedule it. I've optioned in to be notified when it starts, completes, failed, stops, or suspends. So we'll go ahead and execute that. And this is executing, looking at that dashboard that IT would then control. Refresh this, and you can see that it is preparing to execute here at the top. Now it has started. We can see it in progress, the operations that are occurring. So it's doing some service. It's preparing to do ServiceNow inserts. And now that particular flow has completed. And you can see that it moved 321 documents from the spreadsheet into ServiceNow. Go back to our flows and take a look at the home screen once again. And you'll see here that it has completed the 321 documents. And then I can also look in ServiceNow itself, and you'll see all of the various incident cases that have now been assigned to me. If I hover over the work notes, you'll be able to see that the incident has been added by SnapLogic Flows. And if you would like to try it out, please get a hold of us at SnapLogic and just look for SnapLogic Flows. Thank you very much and have a great day.